Jai Hind everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I'm going to describe about authentic notice and order issued by Income Tax Department ITD complete step-by-step guide. Introduction. Receiving a notice or order from the Income Tax Department can often create confusion or anxiety for taxpayers. However, not every document claiming to be from the Income Tax Department is genuine. To protect taxpayers from fraudulent notices, phishing attempts, and fake communications, the Income Tax Department has provided an online facility that enables anyone to verify the authenticity of notices, orders, letters, and other communications issued by the department. Whether you're an individual taxpayer, salaried employee, business owner, professional, or tax consultant, it is always advisable to authenticate any notice before taking further action. This simple verification process takes only a few minutes and helps ensure that you are responding to only genuine communications issued by the Income Tax Department. This guide explains the complete procedure in a simple step-by-step manner. What is notice and order authentication? The notice and order authentication facility is an online verification service provided by the Income Tax Department. It allows taxpayers to confirm whether a notice, order, summons, letter, or any official communication has actually been issued by the department. This facility helps taxpayers identify fake or forged notices and prevents them from becoming victims of fraud. Documents that can be verified. The authentication service can generally be used for verifying income tax notices, assessment orders, demand notices, penalty orders, refund related communications, summons, letters issued by the income tax authorities, other official communications carrying a document identification number. Information required before you begin. Before starting the verification process, please keep the following details ready. First, document identification number. The DIN is a unique identification number printed on every official communication issued by the Income Tax Department. Second, assessment year AY. The relevant assessment year mentioned in the notice or order. Third, PAN details where applicable. Some communications may require PAN information during verification. Step 1. Visit the Income Tax e-filing portal. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Income Tax e-filing portal. On the home page, locate the option relating to Authenticate Notice and issued by ITD under the Quick Links or Relevant Taxpayer Services section. Click on the option to begin the verification process. Step 2. Select the authentication option. The portal provides the facility to authenticate documents issued by the Income Tax Department. Select the option to verify the notice or order using the information available on your document. No login is generally required for basic authentication. Step 3. Enter the document identification number DIN. Carefully enter the complete DIN exactly as printed on the notice. The DIN contains a unique combination of letters and numbers. Avoid entering extra spaces or incorrect characters. Double check the DIN before proceeding. Step 4. Enter the assessment year. Select or enter the assessment year exactly as mentioned in the notice. Choosing an incorrect assessment year may result in verification failure. Step 5. Enter PAN if required. Depending on the type of communication, the portal may ask for the permanent account number PAN. Enter the PAN carefully without any spelling mistakes. Step 6. Complete the security verification. The portal will display a captcha code. Enter the characters as shown, exactly as shown. If the captcha is unclear, refresh it and enter the newly displayed code. This step protects the portal against automated misuse. Step 7. Click Continue or Submit. After verifying all entered information, click the Continue or Submit button. The system will process the details within a few seconds. View the authentication. Step 8. View the authentication result. If the communication is genuine, the portal will display confirmation and that the notice or order has been issued by the Income Tax Department. The result may display important details such as document identification number, PAN, assessment year, date of issue, issuing authority, type of communication. These details should match the notice received by you. What if the notice cannot be authenticated? If the portal is unable to authenticate the notice or order, do not panic immediately. Possible reasons include the DIN may have been entered incorrectly, the assessment year may have been wrong, the notice may not have been uploaded into the system. may not yet have been uploaded into the system. The communication may not be genuine. Verify the details once again carefully. If the issue persists, contact the income tax department through the official channels before responding to the notice. Never make any payment or disclose personal information unless the authenticity has been confirmed. Benefits of authenticating notices. Using the authentication facility provides several important advantages. It protects taxpayers from fake notices. It prevents financial fraud. It helps identity forged income tax communications. It ensures you respond to only genuine notices. It increases confidence while dealing with tax related matters. It saves valuable time and avoids unnecessary legal complications. Important tips for taxpayers: always verify the DIN before responding to any notice. Never rely solely on emails, WhatsApp messages, or phone calls claiming to be from the income tax department. Use only the official income tax portal for verification. Keep copies of authenticated notices for future reference. Respond within the prescribed time limit after confirming authenticity. Consult a chartered accountant or tax professional if the notice involves complex tax matters. Conclusion: the Authenticate Notice or order issued by a TD facility is an important digital service designed to enhance transparency, improve taxpayer confidence, and safeguard individuals against fraudulent communications. By spending just a few minutes verifying a notice before taking any action, taxpayers can avoid unnecessary stress, financial loss, and legal complications. Whenever you receive any communication claiming to be from the income tax department, make authentication your first step. It is a simple precaution that ensures you deal only with genuine notices issued through the official system. Disclaimer: this article is intended solely for educational and informational purposes. The procedure described is based on the general functionality of the Income Tax Department's e-filing portal and may be updated or modified from time to time. Users are advised to refer to the Income Tax e-filing portal for the latest process, instructions, and applicable guidelines. In case of any discrepancy, legal issue, or tax-related query, please consult a qualified chartered accountant, tax practitioner, or contact the Income Tax Department through its official channels before taking any action. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.